friends, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, it's gonna be like a decorate with me, except I've already decorated. I'm just going to be showing you what I decorated with for Halloween. I was gonna do a decorate and clean with me, but I was just like, my house is already clean, so there's no point in cleaning my house for a video if it's already clean. So I'm just gonna go going around showing you my different decorations. There isn't a whole lot, but I figured I'd show you anyways. And also I wanted to show you my cute little outfit. It says Happy Halloween, it's got Snoopy on it. I've got this cute little spider necklace and then my cute spider earrings, or spider web earrings. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that. So yeah, let's just jump on in the video. But before we do, don't forget to go down and hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to go over and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram handle here. And yeah, let's just get on into the video. Okay, so I actually wanted to start here because I didn't actually show you guys this in my fall clean and decorate with me. So I just wanted to show you what it looked like, and then I'll change it, and then I will show you what the Halloween version looks like. But just so you know, I believe this I got at Walmart. I was just looking at the tag on the back. So this Hello Fall sign I got at Walmart, and then these little guys here, and then these little pumpkins I actually got at the Dollar Tree. I love them. This one says Happy Harvest and this one says Hello Fall. And then this cute little scarecrow and this cute little owl. Please don't mind the mess going on here. But I just wanted to show you what that looked like, and then I will hurry and show you everything else, change this, and then I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Okay, so if we come on into the kitchen, the first thing I have is this little Halloween towel that I just have on my oven. And then on top of my stove, I have these really cute salt and pepper shakers that I got from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, I got those at the Dollar Tree. Oh, I fell over. Those are super cute. I love them because they're good for fall or Halloween. Some of the stuff I still have up is just from my fall decor that I'm kind of just incorporating into my Halloween decor. And then here on my countertop, I have this jack-o'-lantern that plugs in and lights up. I thought this would be cute just to have sitting on my countertop. I do have two of them, but I'm only using one this year. And then I have this cute little sign that says Trick or Treat with little spider webs. Let's see, where did I get this? I believe I got this at Hobby Lobby. If I'm not mistaken, I got this at Hobby Lobby, but I could be wrong. All of this stuff I've had for a while, so I don't know if you can find it anymore, but I'm pretty sure I got that at Hobby Lobby or at home, the at-home store. So I believe that's where I got that. And then the pumpkin, I think I got at Walmart. It doesn't say where I got that from. I'm pretty sure I got that at Walmart. I'm not 100% sure. Okay, so I just looked at the tag that I just took off of this, because I tend to keep tags on things that I've used multiple times. Don't ask me why, I just tend to do that. But I got this at Walmart. Like I said, I do have two of them, and I got them at Walmart. Like I said, I don't know if they have them still, but that is where I got it. Okay, and then if we come over here to my dining room table, I did want to show you guys my table runner. So yes, it says things like Happy Thanksgiving, November, give thanks, but it also says things like autumn, you know, happy autumn, things like that. It has leaves on it, you know, whatever have you. And I think it's just a cute fall autumn piece that I can use from the beginning of September all the way until, you know, time to put the Christmas tree up. So I really do enjoy this table thing. this table runner. And I actually made this table runner. I bought this fabric at Joann's and I just sewed the edges all the way around and I made myself a table runner. And I really enjoy it. And then what I have here as my centerpiece, I have this little witch. She's like a wood little witch. I believe my mom either made this, I don't know, she had it for a really long time, and then she gave it to me, so I don't know where she got it or whatnot, but yeah, that's just a piece of Halloween decor that I got for my mom. Okay, and then the next piece that I have is this little pumpkin that has like a flower arrangement coming out of it. I did actually get this at Walmart this year. I got it a couple of weeks ago at Walmart. I just put the witch there because it kind of gives it a bit of a Halloween pop instead of just having fall decor out. But I do really like my tablescape here. It is very lovely. Okay, so over here on my TV stand, I have these little glass, like ceramic pumpkins. And I have them 2 over here and then 2 over there. And these I actually got at the dollar store a couple of years ago, I want to say. Yeah, I think I got them a couple of years ago. But yeah, they're really nice, like glass ceramic pumpkins. And all 4 of these I got at the dollar store. Here's what these ones look like. And I just have them like on the edge of my TV stand. So this is what I put out for fall, but I figured any sort of pumpkins is good for Halloween too. Okay, and then to continue on into the living room, if you saw my fall clean and decorate with me, you would have seen me talk about this. So this is just a quilt that I made last year, I think. And this is what the other side looks like. And I just have it hung over the back of my couch, and it actually has the same fabric on the back of it that my table runner has. So it kind of ties that in too, which is nice. And then over here, hold on. And then over here on my coffee table, I just have this little Halloween candy. This Halloween candle that has these pumpkins in it, which I thought would look nice here on the coffee table just as a piece. I don't think I'll actually light it or anything. I think it's just going to be for decoration. But yeah, so that's what's all in my living room. I did forget one more guy in my kitchen. This little guy up here. He's just sitting up on top of my fridge. I just thought that was a good place for him. I don't usually get in these cupboards, so just thought I'd sit him up there, which is nice. He seems content up there. So, all right, and then last but not least, I have this sign hanging. So this is my front door, and so I'm gonna stand by my front door, and you see this as you come in to my house. This is just a little sign that says, "Come in, my pretties," with a little witch hat and a witch broom. And it's all like super glittery and pretty and cute. And so I just have it hanging here. I did have a fall sign here hanging. I just took it down and put this one up. All right, and then last but not least, this is what I have done with this space. At the beginning of the video, I showed you the fall decor that was up here, and this is now the Halloween decor. So this stuff here, I'm pretty sure everything but this sign here I got at the dollar store. So I think I got this garland stuff from the dollar store. I got these cute little pumpkin, like, whoops, sorry, you can't even see it. Pumpkin lantern things. These little guys, it's like a pumpkin scarecrow and a mummy. And then behind here is a sign that says Happy Halloween. This sign, according to the sticker I got at Kohl's, I've had it for so long. I mean, if you can see like the glitters coming off of it. I've had it for so long that I don't even know where I got it. But I think it was like, I want to say it was Walmart, but according to the sticker it was from Kohl's. So I guess we'll go with Kohl's. I really don't know where I got it from, but I've had it for a while. I've had it for probably 5 or 6 years. So yeah, so that's that. And then I just have another one of the pumpkin lanterns over here. I'm kind of thinking of getting some of those like tea light or tea candles, like the battery powered ones, to put inside of those lanterns because I think it would look really cute. So when I go to Walmart today, I might look for some of those and see, because I think that would look really cute with that. But other than that, that is all of my Halloween decor. And I know it's not a whole lot. It's not, you know, out there or anything. There's a lot of stuff I didn't put out. But I kind of wanted it to just be minimal this year and not too much woe-ness. But yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go down and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to go down and hit the subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!